This is my Kenmore Elite Dishwasher. We've had it for 18 months now, and it's been grinding loudly for about a month. It's been getting louder and louder, the grinding noise. It was an ultra quiet wash, but it's not quiet any longer. The model is 6657697. I took the pump and the motor assembly out of the dishwasher. This is what the pump and the motor looks like. This is the motor, and here's your pump assembly. This is where the drain pump impeller fits. It just twists off. Seems like this motor just twists on and off in this direction, but it was all very tight, so I tried hammering the darn thing off, and look at this, it's broken now. To check the motor bearings, you could probably do this with the unit installed and working underneath the dishwasher. There's 4 screws here. You just thread them out with Phillips. Pull the armature off, and you can see the one bearing, motor bearing, and look at it's in good shape. You can see corrosion from water on this portion of the motor enclosure. When you spin the router of the motor, you can hear this is where the grinding is coming from, this front bearing here. You can see how corroded it is in there at that front bearing. It's pretty well destroyed. Don't forget to screw out this bolt here before you start to twist off the motor housing. Now, to get the router of the motor off, you stick your screwdriver in the impeller like this, and that'll hold the impeller while you twist the rotor counterclockwise. You can see this this motor pump assembly is designed to fail with water getting to the bearing within 18 months. It's an expensive unit, and I got 18 months of service from it. That's real shoddy workmanship. You can use a screwdriver to pry off this cover, and out pops the impeller kit and the gasket here. When you reinstall, that slot lines up with this plastic piece. This is the main pump impeller, and This is some spring-loaded gasketing system here. This is another floppy gasket. This gasket keeps water from coming out here, and this gasketing system here should keep water from coming through to the motor shaft and then through to the bearing, which it hasn't. I'm off to the parts department now to get a new motor assembly. I hope this video has explained to you the problems, the reason why you get a noisy dishwasher, and I recommend you to stay away from this Kenmore Ultra Elite Dishwasher model, which is really a Whirlpool, sold by Sears. Good luck with your dishwasher problems.